Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you do enjoy it. So today, as you guys can tell by the video title, I am milking the hell out of this RC-F seat. But I think I'm turning this into a straight up trilogy. This is really what is going to complete my RC-F seat. I've had these parts for a while, but I've been waiting for Lexus to deliver one last part for me, and it's finally here from Japan. So that means we are heading over to our local Lexus dealer to get ripped the fuck off. Just kidding. Thank you so much, Lexus, for ordering this part for me. It's not what you guys think. I don't think I'm ever gonna get the bottom part of the RC-F seat to complete it. There is one bottom for sale, and it's still the same guy. Realistically, I think I'm cool with the way it is now. Let's head over to Lexus and get this part. I love this place. I always love looking at the showroom. This one is still the best car here. Oh, carbon fiber freaking under tray. We got the part. Now comes my favorite part of this whole dealership, and that's getting out of the driveway. So hard. Alright, here it comes, the best fucking part. That is how you get out of a freaking shitty narrow driveway. Let's get it. Holy shit. Okay, so we are now at Michael's because I need glue that will stick onto leather. Maybe if I ask for help, someone will help me. Help, help, help. So just made it back to the house. You're probably gonna wonder why I went to Lexus just to order this. If you guys guessed it, this is the strap to the RC-F seat. You're gonna wonder, why'd you only get one? I already ordered the other one, but this was the only thing I was waiting for, and Lexus said there weren't any in the States, and they had to order directly from Japan, which was gonna take at least 3 weeks. I waited and I waited, and I finally got it. So excited, the seat's finally gonna be done. You guys are going to love it. I never showed you guys this. There's a hole right here. Now you guys know why I never showed the back of my seat. If you look at my old videos, you're gonna see that I never showed this. Reason for that is just a big ass hole. And if you don't know, these are RC-F seats, not GSF. So that means that it does have a plastic recliner right here, a switch. Since my car is not a coupe, there's no switch. That means there's no lever and there's no mechanism to fold the chair forward. With that being said, the parts that I ordered from Lexus, you probably already guessed it. Got them right here, and I'm gonna show you guys. We have, that's right, the other strap. This is the driver's side strap. We have the plastic lever covers right here. They are from Lexus of Queens, which is where all the parts are pretty cheap, and you can get them all online. So check this out. This is literally it. Goes in, and then that's it. It comes with this little piece too. This is another part number that is separate. It's the cover, so you get this, and I believe you stick it right in here. That's it. Do you see that? These little things are gonna complete my seat. So this is gonna go right in here. And there you have it. But there was another issue that I ran into. Check it out. Oh, what happened? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some adhesive on the corners right here, which should bond this plastic to this leather. Stick it in and it'll work. So I have E6000. Hopefully this will work. We don't want any of the glue visible, so I'm gonna just clean up the sides and pray for the best. No glue is visible. There's no gaps at all. Just gonna leave it here and let it cure. All right guys, so I just woke up from a nap. I let everything dry. Let's see how it looks. That's what I'm talking about. Everything is in there like swimwear. Strap. We even got the other strap. So there you have it, guys. My RC-F seats are finally completed. It's crazy how it took so long. All right, so now I'm gonna go meet up with Josh. We're gonna go to All Aspects. We're gonna pick up some gear and we're gonna head over to Malibu and shoot a new intro. I know you guys have been wanting a new intro. Well, I've been wanting a new intro and I've had some people tell me that my intro is too long, and I agree. I love my intro, but we're gonna try to cut it down. Hopefully it comes out really good. Now that Josh has a new setup and he edits a little bit more differently, it might turn out really, really well, so I'm excited. I'll see you guys then. All right, so we just made it to the warehouse. Yeah. You gonna go out that way? Okay, I'll follow you, but I don't have bags, so go slow. All Aspects stays lace me up. Got my girlfriend a pink dad hat right here. Fire. This new design, not even out yet. They spoil me. They always let me rock their newest shit. And then this one is really cool. This is actually a Week Fest exclusive, and we're gonna get a couple photos with this shirt on, but it's pretty much the logo right here. There is a Volt TE37 in the back, designed with the All Aspects eyes for the tire thread. It's so lit. Can't wait to show you guys this. What up, Foo? So we just made it to the spot. We're over in Malibu. I wish we would have gone here sooner. The clouds are kind of blocking the sun, so it's not gonna look as bright and as warm as I wanted it to be, but nonetheless, this man right here is gonna work his fucking magic. Guys, look at this shot. This is so sick. It's bad we got Josh ruining it right here. Good old California. I hate this place. Maybe we could just do the same opening shot. This camera is so damn good. I want it. My personal stylist. Sir, you're touching things you shouldn't be touching. Hey, grab my ass, yeah? Can we all appreciate how pretty the sky is? Like, let me know when. I'm trying to stay straight so I don't mess up the shirt. Freaking love California. The weather is so nice. We have the beach. It's just so awesome. Like, oh shit! And now we're gonna get some photos of this dope ass shirt. This shirt's so fucking fire. Look at this.
Sick, not like sick like this shit. Automatic, hey.
Damn, the sky looks so insane. So we just finished wrapping up shooting the intro. We shot a bunch of photos for All Aspects with this new shirt. This shirt is so sick. Thank you, Josh. Give you guys one last look at these switches right here and the strap. Why doesn't it recline? Oof, that was a long day. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Huge shout out to Josh for coming out again and filming my second intro. Hope you had a good time watching this video. The install was something I've been holding off on for a while, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, don't forget to cop this shirt. I will leave the link down in the description. More videos to come. I have so many more things planned, and we are on the way to 5K. Hopefully we can make it there before the end of this year. That would be so freaking lit. I'm gonna go ahead and roll this intro. Hopefully you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the new intro and if you missed the old intro or not. I will catch you guys in the next video.